Today, how to create VPC by using Terraform. So I designed this CADR range. See here 10.0.0.0/26 means H equals to 2 power 26 minus 2. Two power. So here that total 32 bits. 26 minus 32. 6 means 2 power 6 minus 2 total. 2 power 6. Calculate 2 power 6.
64.
64 IPs we will get. I need more. So take this IP range enough for us, or you can take some other class B 172.16.0.0/16 means -16 minus 32 equals to 16, right?
Yes.
So 2 power 16 minus 2.
62 round.
Hmm?
2 power 16.
16.
Yeah.
Total
2 power
32 bits range, right? See here, yesterday, class B, day before yesterday, we discussed class B. Class B means 2 network bits, 2 host bits. So each bit 8. Again, I am see here. Class B. This is 1 byte means 8 bits. This is byte 2. So complete byte 1 and byte 2 network ID. So network ID we cannot change. Host bit we can change. So that is the meaning of this 172.1.16.0.0. So this is the private IPs range. If it is public means it will give you any one of the IP except the private range 10.0.0 to I'm going to open one more. See this, then you can understand. See here, class A 0 to 126. So this is the class A range. In between this range 10.0, 10 series private range. Remember, remaining all public. 127. So where is 127? So 127 is used for testing. So your local host IP. Each and every machine we have 127 bit, 127 IP. So here 128 to class B section, 128 to 191. So in between 172.16, this is the private range. Remaining all are public. Class C, 192 to 223. In between this private range, 192.168.0.0. So 192 series, remember these are our private address range. And next, we'll discuss this one. See, now I'm taking 172.16, this range. By 16, just calculate in Google. 65,536 IPs it will give. It is giving. So this is for entire network, entire data center, means one VPC. We can divide this network to this network by using subnets. We can divide this network. Those are, see here, subnet masking 172.16.1.0./24. So next, class B. From class B range, I'm going to take private IP. H equals to 2 power 16 minus 2. This is the formula. 16 means host bits equal to 2, this range. It will give you this range. Minus 2, right? Just remove this 6 to 4. That's it. This is the range. One 172.16.0.0. 172.16.0.0. 16. This is data center IP range. So you can divide this range 172 dot by using subnets 16.1.0/24. So /24 means calculate 32 minus 24. So 8. 2 power 8. 256. Next 1722 dot 16.2.0/24. So no need to calculate again. 56 minus 2. Yeah. 172 dot 16.2.3.0/24. 254 total. So this is the CADR range, classless internet domain routing. So try to create VPC. First, we need provider. Provider contain region and all. So take the provider. Region AP South -1. So that's it. Save. Initially, I'm creating completely hard coding values. So main section. In the main, we need to cut, paste. So main, create resources. VPC resource. Find AWS resource. AWS underscore VPC resources. So here, see, this is the basic example. Take the resource. This is predefined. Resource also predefined. AWS underscore VPC, it is a predefined. You cannot change. You can change main. So here main, any function starts with main. That's why I given main. You can change it dev also, dev VPC like that. Tag dev. CADR block, go to console, click on VPC. See here, VPC tag name. This is the tag name, dev. You need to provide description as well. project. So if you want to provide more number of tags inside the tag, more number of variables inside the tag, we need to use map. So currently I'm not using any map. See here. Next CIDR is a common. The CIDR IPv4 CIDR range we need to provide. So choose our range. My range is this one. Copy, paste. This is my range. Next, tenancy default tag. That's it. Create. Now, but you need to enable DNS host name under DNS. See, enable DNS support. See, this is the optional. These are these all arguments related to VPC. So based on requirement, you can choose all the things. So currently we need CADR block, we need tenancy, we need CADR IP pool range. Already I mentioned. So next enable disable or enable. So we need to enable. Click on this copy option at last. Okay. Enable DNS support true. Enable DNS host names true. Then only this IP range visible. Otherwise it will not visible. See here clearly. Boolean flag is enabled DNS support is VPC default true. Default true. Boolean is a flag true or false. 0 and 1. True means 1, 0 means false. So enable or disable DNS host name default false. So just apply now. Terraform init provider. In the provider section, something goes wrong. AWS, something missing, I think. Okay. Ashikar 52 now. Provider name. check what is the error. Terraform init initializing configuration including Terraform configuration must validate before initializing. So the Terraform can be determined which module and provider need to install. Required providers main.tf module may have only one requirement one provider only. So one provider only. Okay. Yeah, now actually previously we have used version 5.52, but our latest version is updated 5.53. That's why getting error. So successfully, Terraform has been successfully initialized. Now validate. The configuration is valid. Next, Terraform plan. See, one resource is going to add to AWS cloud. VPC dot main will be created. So apply now. Auto approve. First apply. First it will take the plan, get the information, what resources is going to add. After that it is creating. Yeah, one resource is added. Check the console. VPCs. See dev. Dev is the tag name. I have given tag name dev, right? That's why. See range. Select this VPC. Edit VPC settings. So here see DHCP option set. This is the DHCP protocol. DNS enabled. because we have enabled. That's why it is enabled. Network address uses metrics settings. It is enabled means you will get more charges. So next subnet. This is a subnet.
Now we are created instance or VPC we are created and instance also
Ju-
we are created. Sure.
no. Only
Only
VPC
VPC.
VPC created.
Okay.
Even
Yeah.
subnets also not created.
Okay.
So subnets, see here, subnets. VPC ID is required, right? Right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
So add subnets. One create subnet. So copy, find from scratch how to create everything. You need to understand AWS subnet. These are the subnet resources. See here. Example. Take the resource. So go to main. See here, subnet. This is the private public subnet. So dev public. VPC ID means AWS. See here, AWS underscore dot main dot ID. This ID automatically, this will automatically, the subnet will take this VPC ID. This ID. So we need to change CADR range block. For our range, 1.16.1 172.16.1.0./24. Just change 172.16.1.0/24. So it will give you dev underscore subnet 1. That is the tag
So,
name.
Parshram,
Yeah, tell me.
next three ranges we can divide as a subnet, right?
Hmm.
IP.
Yes, yes.
We need to create only three subnets. It's compulsory, or otherwise we can create more.
No, based on your requirement. See,
Okay.
in the data center means virtual private cloud, how many IPs you want? Based on you can
Okay.
create multiple subnets.
Okay.
Understand?
So, Ram, that is
Yeah.
depend on in
Project.
this case, in project we have seen like how many employees are there.
Hmm.
So depend on that we are doing this, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
So next subnet, subnet 1. 2 tag So you need to change this ADR range 1 to 2. Dev environment 3 subnets. Three.
/24 is common or it will change version?
That is subnet masking. Subnet mask means, see here entire VPC range is 65,000 change, right? We need to
Yes, yes.
divide how many subnets you want. How,
Okay,
based on
okay.
requirement, you need to do. Now apply. Terraform
If I
plan.
want to create 4 subnet, the IP is 172.16.4.8/24, right?
Hmm.
Correct?
Hmm.
Okay.
Resource name. So just use public. Based on tag, you can identify.
Ram, in
Yeah.
24 indentation is wrong, he is saying.
Where? It's 24.
24th line indentation.
Okay, ma'am. 22nd.
This name already
Okay.
declared. Copy paste, right? That's why getting error.
Mm-hmm.
Same name.
Is this predefined words or we
No, no, no.
can
This
give
public is
dynamically
no. This is custom. You can use. You can give
customized?
based on your name. Understanding.
Okay.
Understandable name.
Okay. Okay.
So public.
We can give public 1, public 2, public 3 like that, right?
Yes, yes. No. AP South 1A. Now plan. See the 3 resource going to add it. 1A, 1B, and 1C. 3 subnets. apply hyphen auto approve. Check. See dev subnet 1, 2, 3. So tag name I have mentioned same. That's why getting error. Getting same name, same tag. Change 3. See, one change has been done. So that is 0 to 03. That's it. Just refresh. See 1, 2, 3. 3 subnets also created. After that, you need to create route table. Route is different, route table is different. See here, route table public one. This route is different. Examples I'm finding. So this is a route table.
Ram,
Yeah,